If your car starts making a grinding noise like this, it's a possibility that the power steering pump has gone bad. Remove all the hoses.
You gotta pull the serpentine belt. You gotta pull the lines. You can just pull the lines, stick it right in there. It's about getting that screwdriver positioned in the right place. You don't want to break anything on either side of the screwdriver, so you need to watch that. Once we get it right.
Then I take the center bolt out of the pulley.
You really need a shorter breaker bar.
I wedge a screwdriver in between the pulley and whatever is nearest so that it holds the pulley in place as I break the center bolt loose.
Alright, we got her.
Bucket.
Right? Hose for that.
I remove the 2 bolts holding in the power steering pump.
Okay. Old one's out. Well, I should have taken these off first, but I got carried away. Now, this thing is gonna have a gasket. Okay, there's the old pump. New pump.
It goes together in the reverse order that you took it out.
What I do is I just keep it full, and then we turn the steering wheel back and forth on either side until the noise goes away. We're just back and forth, and we're just trying to get all the air out of the system.